Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how to set up an automatic reply in WhatsApp Business so your customers can receive a message even when you're not available on your phone. So without wasting any more time, let's jump right in. First, make sure you have your WhatsApp Business application installed and opened on your phone. Now, whether you're using iPhone or Android, once you're inside the app, you will land in the chat section where all your recent messages are shown. Now look at the bottom right hand side corner and tap on the tool icon, and over here in this menu look for an option called away message. So click on that. Now over here in the away message section, just simply toggle on the option called send away messages, and then right over here you will have an option called away message, and in front of that you will have a pencil icon. Click on that, and then you can write your customized text over here. So once you have done that, just click on OK. Next you will see the schedule option. Tap on that and choose always. And the reason that you have to choose this option is because whenever anyone sends you a message, the text message that you wrote at the very top right over here will automatically be sent to that person instantly. Finally, under the recipient option, you can choose everyone, or you can even choose a specific contact if you prefer. And then once you'll complete all the process, just click on the save option at the very top right hand side corner, and that will save your settings. So that's it. Your automatic reply is now active on your WhatsApp Business, keeping your customers informed even when you're away. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more helpful videos. So thank you for watching and take care.